Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Boss Maths. Don't forget you can also find us at the X. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today's video is all about how to change fractions to decimals. Now, I'm sure I did a similar video on this before on a simple way of doing it. When the denominator can just turn into 100, and then that's a simple way of changing a fraction to decimal. But what happens when the denominator can't change into 100? Let's have a look to see what happens. So I'll just choose 5, 6. To change 5, 6 into a decimal, this generally appears on a non-calculator paper and you need to show your full working out. So, we use the bus stop method. Because it says 5 divided by 6, we are dividing by 6, so that goes on the outside, and 5 goes on the inside. Start off by asking ourselves, how many 6's go into 5? And it's 0. Because we still haven't used the 5 is still in play. So put a decimal point there, decimal point there. A 0 appears and the 5 just goes on top of the 0 just there. How many 6's are there in 50? That comes to 8 and we have 2 left over. How many 6's are there in 20? And that's 3. And as you can see, there's 2 left over again. I'll just put the 2 there so you can see it. So it's going to be 6 in 20 again. As you can see, this is going to keep happening. In maths, we call this recurring. And it's only the 3 that is recurring because it's the 2 that's been carried over every single time. So our answer is 0.83 recurring. So just next to our question, we can have 0.83 with a dot on top of the 3, which means recurring. And that gives us our final answer. That's how you change any fraction into a decimal. So you can try these following questions coming up. The first one you can have a go is 3 over 10. You could do this one by looking at it, but show you're working, and let's see if you can get me an answer on that one. We can have 4/5. We can have 3/8. And the last one, let's make a tricky one. I'll call it 5/7. Okay, you can have a go at these and then I'll go over it and we'll see if your answers match. So, let's see what happened. The first one, because we're dividing by 10, 3 on the inside. How many 10's going to 3? 0. 3 carries. How many 10's in 30? 3. The answer is 0.3. First one. Second one, 4/5. 5 on the outside. 4 on the inside. How many 5's going to 4 is 0 again. 4 carries. How many 5's in 40? 8. Answer 0.8. Next one, 3/8. 3/8, the 8 goes here and 3 goes there. How many 8's going to 3? 0. Carry the 3. 8's in 30 and we can see that's 3. And we have 6 left over. 8's in 60. We know that this is 7. And we have 4 left over. 8 in 40, 5. Our answer is 0.375. That's that one. Next one, 5 sevenths. You have a 7 there and a 5 just on the inside. How many 7s going to 0? 5 carries. 7's in 50, 7, carry the 1. 7's in 10, 1, carry the 3. 7's in 30, it's 4, carry the 2. 7's in 20, 2, carry the 6. 7's in 60, 8, and we carry the 4. And as you can see, this continues. So you can either, so the recurring bit will come later on, but you can just write 0.714 maybe. The question could say give you answer to 3 decimal places, and there it is. And there's your answer to that one. So any fraction can be changed into a decimal using the simple bus stop technique or short division. Hope this video helps and hope it's useful to you when doing this topic. See you in the next one.